Hey everyone, it's Nun, and welcome to our video on why you should consider paper trading. You know, when I first started getting into real estate, I didn't just jump into buying a property right away. I spent months learning everything I could, running the numbers over and over again, and really understanding the ins and outs before taking the plunge. The same goes for investing. And that's where paper trading comes in. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced one, paper trading offers numerous benefits. It's a way to dip your toes in the water without the risk of getting burned. So, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to refine your skills, stick around, because we're about to break down why paper trading might just be the smartest move you make on your investing journey. So what exactly is paper trading? It's basically like having a stock market simulator at your fingertips. Imagine a video game where you can buy and sell stocks, options, whatever you like, but instead of using real money, you're using virtual cash. This means you can practice trading without the fear of losing a single dollar. You'll get familiar with order types, things like market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, all the tools you need to navigate the real market. You can even try day trading, buying and selling within the same day without putting your hard-earned money on the line. Think of it like driver's ed. You wouldn't just hop into a car and drive off without practice, right? Paper trading gives you that crucial practice time in a safe environment. Now, let's say you've been following the market for a while, you're reading all about different investing strategies, maybe even feeling like you've got a good grasp on things. Paper trading lets you put those theories to the test. You can experiment with different approaches, whether it's technical analysis, looking at charts, patterns, indicators, or fundamental analysis. Digging into a company's financials, their earnings reports, all that good stuff. You can even test out different trading strategies like swing trading, where you hold on to stocks for a few days or weeks, or value investing, where you're looking for those undervalued gems in the market. And the best part, if your strategy doesn't work out the way you hoped, you haven't lost any real money. You can go back, analyze what happened, adjust your approach, and try again. You know, trading isn't just about numbers and charts, it's also about psychology. When you're trading with real money, emotions come into play. Fear, greed, you name it, and these emotions can really mess with your decision-making. Paper trading helps you develop that emotional discipline. You'll start to understand how you react to market swings, whether you panic sell when things dip or get too greedy when your investments are doing well. The more you practice, the more you'll be able to control those emotions and make rational decisions when it really matters. Remember, confidence is key in trading, and the best way to build confidence is through experience. Paper trading gives you that experience without the risk. One of the most valuable aspects of paper trading is the ability to track your performance. Most paper trading platforms will give you detailed reports on your trades. What you bought, what you sold, your profit and loss, everything. This data is gold. It allows you to see what's working, what's not working, and identify areas where you can improve. Are you consistently losing money on a certain type of trade? Is there a particular strategy that seems to be generating good returns? By analyzing your trades, you can fine-tune your approach and develop a trading style that suits your risk tolerance and goals. Think of it like keeping a trading journal. It's a record of your journey and a valuable tool for growth. So there you have it. Paper trading is like having a free, no-risk training ground for the stock market. It's a fantastic way to learn the ropes, test strategies, build confidence, and track your performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Need help setting up a paper trading system or testing a strategy? Leave a comment below or reach out to us directly. We're here to help you on your investing journey every step of the way.